First Alert 5 weather with Jeff Matthews.
Welcome back. Foggy start in Pueblo and much of eastern Colorado, but the sun broke through after 9 or 10 a.m. and the clouds continue to break up. In Trinidad, no fog issue there. Pretty much sunny all day with just the fair weather clouds developing in the afternoon hours. Now, if you're keeping score at home, do it in pencil because these numbers are not official until 7 o'clock. 75, the unofficial high in the Springs, which bests the average for this time of year by about 7. 81 in Pueblo as opposed to the average of 76 degrees. The nighttime lows are going to be very similar from night to night to night all this upcoming week. A few very spotty, very light showers going on in northern Teller County and northwestern El Paso County, really more north of the Palmer Divide. And that's where they're going to mostly stay because of this area of low pressure that's a very, very slow mover. In fact, it's cut off from the jet stream flow and has influenced the flow itself, cutting off one part of the branch to go north and another part to sweep all the way south. It's this part that I'm going to refer back to in just a few moments, so don't forget that. The focal point for shower activity for the next day or two will be the afternoon hours, and it'll be from the Palmer Divide northwards through the Wyoming border. Then as we get into Tuesday afternoon, the next several afternoons, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the focal point will be east of Lincoln, east of El Paso, east of Pueblo counties. So keep that in mind. Hour by hour, this evening into the overnight hours, what I really want you to take from it is this cloud deck. That's the fog building back in from Lyman and Kit Carson and Eads and Last Chance through the Arkansas River Valley, probably barely making it to the I-25 corridor, including the Springs and Pueblo, but not so much for Los Animas counties. And then it'll take until 10 or 11 a.m. tomorrow morning to begin evaporating, much like this morning. And we're back to partly sunny skies. One caveat, north of the Springs around the Palmer Divide tomorrow around lunchtime, possible, very brief sprinkle. It's really going to be a footnote. Tonight's lows, much like last night, upper 40s to low 50s. Forecast highs for tomorrow, just a shade cooler than today. 60, best you do in Woodland Park, maybe 65 in Monument if the clouds break quick enough. Maybe just under 70 for the Springs, but still 70s for the Arkansas River Valley. Now your forecast for the next 7 days. The temperatures about seasonable for the next couple of days with morning fog giving way to partly sunny skies. Again, the El Paso midday sprinkle, a possibility tomorrow. And then warming up into the 70s for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Your rain chances increase as we get into Friday and Saturday. It's a long way off, but it's a definite possibility. And keep in mind as we go through the 7-day forecasts that it's east of El Paso and Pueblo counties that your rain chances increase after Tuesday afternoon. But for Pueblo, looking dry, I think, with a little bit of fog in the mornings until Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Canyon City, much the same, 70s, warming up to the warmest day on Thursday, about 82. And for Woodland Park, you might make 60 tomorrow. Notice the rain chances. They're there, they're small, and they're for the afternoon and early evening hours. Maybe just enough to wet the ground each afternoon and early evening, and the ones indicate the lowest on the weather alert scale, so it's not going to have a tremendous impact on you.